Cool hair, man.
What's up, gamers? Hope everyone's doing swell. Today I'm bringing you guys a very exciting video. Pretend my hair's not already dyed. I filmed an intro for this video before my hard drive broke, so I lost all of the footage and everything. Oopsie! So pretend that my hair is still black. I'm gonna be going to get my hair dyed for the first time ever. I've never had my hair professionally dyed. I've never even gotten my hair cut by an actual hair salon person. My mom always cuts my hair at home, or recently I've been cutting my hair. So I'm gonna try and go as light as I can on my hair. I don't know how light I can actually go because my natural hair is pretty dark brown, like it's basically almost black. Obviously, because my hair is already dyed now when I'm filming this, I'm gonna include some footage of my hair before it was dyed. My natural black hair, all soft and nice. My hair is fully virgin, I've never dyed it. So I'm gonna go in and show the woman these inspiration photos for what I want my hair to be like, and we'll see how close she can get to them. I'm going for a light brown or like almost blonde balayage with smudge roots so that it grows out well. That's what I heard Brad Mondo say. But yeah, so I'm gonna go and bleach that. I've always kind of avoided dyeing my hair just because I didn't want to damage it, and like, I really like having soft hair. But I figured recently my hair has been like so healthy that like I might as well. Just a little bit about my hair maintenance beforehand. I always use Function of Beauty shampoo and conditioner. That is my go-to. I have them right here. They're so pretty. Ooh. If you don't know what Function of Beauty is, they are a custom hair care brand where you just go online, fill out a little 2-minute quiz about your hair preferences and your hair goals, and you can design your own custom shampoo and conditioner. You can even print your name on it, like mine says Function of Amber. They have other products too, like I got this hair mask, which I've been using since I dyed my hair just to help restore and soften it. And recently they came out with custom body wash and lotion too, which is so fun. So now I got my whole shower routine from Function of Beauty. And all my stuff smells like pears. Function of Beauty is all vegan, cruelty-free, no toxins, parabens, sulfates, none of that nasty stuff. And all of the boxes and bottles that they package in are sustainable, so you feel good using them. They're just a wonderful brand, and they're available in a bunch of different countries, which I'll write on the screen. And if you want to check them out, you can click the link in my description for 20% off your first order. I believe that's all I have to say about my hair, so let's head to the salon. I was actually able to record a lot in there, so it's a nice video. And once I get home, I'm gonna get my family's reaction to my new look. So let's not keep waiting, let's go do it! Good morning, y'all. I just parked for my hair appointment. I'm afraid that I'm like desensitized to how light hair can be in photos, so I keep looking at pictures of like blondes, and I'm like, oh yeah, that'll be my reference photo. But then if I end up blonde, I'm gonna like freak out. So I don't know why I keep thinking that I should go blonde. I'm gonna try and do light brown. We'll see how it goes. Honestly, I don't really care how it ends up. I'm so disconnected from my physical being. I could be bald and not really be phased, so you know, it's fine. But I'm gonna try and make some TikToks so I can get like a cool transition of my hair changing. And then I'm gonna walk in and we'll see how shy I am about taking videos in there. I'll see you guys in a bit. Peace. What's up? I'm gonna do a nice little voiceover narration of what's going on here. So she started pinning my hair back and put my hair in the foils with the bleach in it. I got my nice whole head going on. I look crazy. Then she put a towel on my head so that the heat could radiate and activate the bleach more. Looking great, feeling great, all is well. But then she washed out the first few strands of hair that were bleached, and big reveal, oh my gosh, I was freaking out. Only these few strands of hair were blonde and the rest of my head was still black, and I looked like a penguin. And I was like, is this really how it's gonna be? Is this what it's gonna be like at the end? But then we went and rinsed out all of the bleach, so my whole head got rinsed, and I was also really scared at this moment because everything still looked really dark. Like a lot of my hair was still black, and I was like, is this how it's gonna be? And then she put in some toner to get rid of the orange and brassy tones, and we let that sit for a while, and then eventually we rinsed that all out, and big reveal time. What the heck? Oh my god! Whoa! Whoa! Wowee! Wait, I have to put this down somewhere. Ooh! Oh my god! And the little front strands are so light. Oh, why do I have this on? Oh, wow! I haven't seen it with my full face yet. So a couple things ended up happening. I showed her the inspiration photos and she was like, your hair's pretty dark. I don't know if we can get it that light. I was like, honestly, I don't really care. Do whatever you want. And then I showed her this one picture and she was like, oh, do you want those, what the heck are these called? Money strips? And she was like, oh, do you want those highlights in the front like that picture shows? And I was like, okay, these are quite dramatic, but I do like them. I just wasn't expecting to have highlights like that. I am so glad to be outside because it's so warm out. August in New York, obviously. But it was freezing in that salon. They had the AC set to like 60 degrees, I'm pretty sure. So I was like shivering. I wore like a summer outfit because I was like, oh, I'm gonna be sweaty in there. But then I was so cold. I had goosebumps the whole time. And I'm pretty sure that's why my hair like didn't lighten that much, because she kept being like, oh, the bleach isn't really taking. I'm like, well, maybe because I'm freezing so I have no body heat to like activate the bleach. I was like, bro, turn turn off the AC, please. And the whole time she kept saying like, oh my god, I can tell your hair is so healthy. Like, you take such good care of it. Because I was like, oh yeah, I don't really use heat on it. I don't wear it up super often. I use Function of Beauty, bro. Let me tell you. As soon as she touched my hair, she was like, oh, it's so soft. I was like, uh-huh, that's me. Whoa. Oh my god. And it doesn't feel damaged, like, at all. And I told her, I was like, oh, I'm surprised it doesn't feel like more dried out. And she was like, well, yeah, your hair was so healthy when you came in. Like, I knew it could take like a pretty high amount of like bleach and everything. So I gave you a lot of bleach, and then it still like didn't hurt your hair at all because it was so healthy to start with. Oh. Alright, anyways, bros, I'm gonna drive home and I'm gonna try and get my family's reactions on video. So we'll see you then. Alrighty, bros, I just got home. The lighting's kind of better here. Kind of look way better now. Wow. But Ashley just had nose surgery because she had a deviated septum and like couldn't breathe, so they had to do surgery in her nose. It was not a nose job. She might look kind of weird, just a heads up. But hopefully she liked my hair, because that's what really matters, right? Who cares about her nose? It's all about my hair, right? Okay, let's go show her. She's the only one home right now. Bubby's gonna be the first one to see me. Hello, Bubby. Bubby, I'm a blonde like you now. Ashley, are you awake? Hi, Ashley. Were you asleep? Hey, you're vlogging me already? Yeah. You see my hair?
Yeah, it looks so good. I can't breathe out my nose. Oh. Wait, I literally can't see anything because I
turned the light.
laying down.
Sorry to bother you, bro.
Oh my god, Amber, we're like twins.
We are like twins.
It looks really nice.
Except I think my front strands are lighter and behind it is darker. Bubby, stop breathing so loud.
Amber, it looks so nice.
Thanks.
It looks so. Are you happy with it?
I'm so happy. The girl said my hair was so healthy.
Really?
Yeah, she was like, oh my god.
So healthy.
But yeah, I like it. Sorry to bother you, oh my god.
No, you're good. I'm like, Mom just told me I should lie down. Bro, they took me off the anesthesia and I was like, my body wouldn't stop shaking and I like couldn't stop crying.
Interesting. Mom's home. Oh, I gotta open the door. Hello.
You look so cute.
Thanks, Mom.
Oh my god, they could try your shirt too. This is very cute.
Thanks.
But the front really showed
light.
up the color. Yeah, no, I like it like this. It's very edgy.
E-girl.
E-girlish, yeah.
Yeah.
I like it.
Thanks, Mom.
Do you eat some pad thai?
I ate some pad thai.
Yeah, that pad thai was pretty good. And then there's rice.
We look way too similar right now. Mirror my movements.
I'm really good at this.
Look at us. We're twins. I just wanted to be like Ashley. Mom kept saying she was getting confused looking at us. It's like you're my mirror, as Justin Timberlake said.
Oh,
take
what's
your
this?
antibiotic.
Why is it red?
Can
red
I have
pill?
one?
No.
Can I have an antibiotic? I'm just kidding. It would ruin my gut flora. I get it. Hey, guess who I am? My deviated septum. Wait,
Froze in my pants.
Where's my pants? I have a deviated septum. Ah! Me. And it's only believable because of the hair.
Okay.
Damn, I look good. Why does my face make sense right now?
Really?
I'm not wearing any makeup, bro. I'm gonna try and put on a winged eyeliner and heavier makeup look to see what I look like when I actually get dolled up. Let's go do that right now.
Yeah.
You probably can't tell the difference, but I put on some eyeliner and some mascara and blushed. I feel like my face makeup is more like defined now that my hair is lighter. Ooh. Dad just got home. I'm gonna show him my hair.
That album wasn't even out yet, so she was lying about it.
Hey, Dad, look at my hair.
I didn't recognize you. Kept looking, you're Ashley.
That was Ashley.
Because I'm just thinking, Amber's just up in her room. Hey,
Oh my
Ashley?
god. I know.
Oh my god, you're so pretty.
Oh my god, thanks. Picking up Andrew from his friend's house. Yeah. Wow. Didn't even notice my hair. What do you think of my hair?
Cool hair, man. You look like Ashley.
Bye. Oh, Liam, what do you
Thank
think
you,
of my
Liam.
hair? I'm just kidding.
Hi, Liam. Hi, Liam. Hi, Liam.
Oh, the hair took forever.
I don't know, it takes a while to bleach it.
Did they cut it?
They have to cut it, bop it, twist it. I'm just kidding. Thanks, Andrew, for the compliments.
No problem.
Yeah, no problem.
What? Whoa. Whoa. Epic.
to Ashley.
Alrighty guys, I'm gonna give you the final rundown, my final thoughts and opinions. I think my hairstylist did a wonderful job. I love the color of like the bottom half. This half's a little dark except for like the really bright fronts. Looking at it now, I asked for a balayage, and now that I have it, I think balayages are not for me. I don't regret doing my hair at all. I still really like it. I just think that like the highlights style isn't for me. I kind of wish it was like one solid color. I don't know. There's too many different variations of color. I'd rather have it just be like whoosh. Okay, yeah, my face looks pretty good surrounded by all blonde hair. I should go fully blonde next time. Guys, that's literally gonna be a video within like the next 2 years. Anyways, guys, I believe that's it for the video. Thank you for following me on this journey. This has been a big day for me, and I'm so glad I could share with you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.